Good afternoon, children. Let us start our session with a beautiful thought. Education is a gift that none can take away. So, it is a gift which cannot be taken from anyone. It is permanent with
today's
us.
session with word problems on multiplication and division. As you know, the word problems are the examples which we come across in our real life. So, a uniform set. A means it's only one. A uniform set costs rupees 1325. What will be the cost of 567 uniform sets? So children, you can see here 1 is given and asking for more. So 1 to many means what you have to do? Multiplication. As you read the question, you have to understand what solution you have to do. So here a uniform set costs rupees, that is cost of one uniform set is rupees 1325. You can frame the sentence as your own in the question. So what will be the cost of 567 uniform sets? So cost of 567 uniform sets is rupees 1325 multiplied by 567. So as you know, 1 to many means multiplication. One pencil cost 2 rupees means what is the cost of 10 pencils? Then 2 multiplied by 10 is 20 rupees. So here now start multiplying. Start from ones place. 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 17. 1 carry. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. Next, 7 ones are 7 plus 2 is 9. Second step, start with 1 plus. Next, start with 6. 6 5s are 30. So you can write second step here. Now 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 is again 15. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Now 6 ones are 6 plus 1 is 7. Next, third step, start with 2 plus. 5 5s are 25. Make again third step, carry over. Next, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Next, add this sum. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 2 12. 1 carry here. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 9 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 6 plus 1 is 7. So you can write the conclusion statement. Therefore, cost of 567 uniform sets is, you have to write the statement in rupees because it is the amount. So rupees 7,51,275. Next word problem is one packet contains 385 sweets. Here also you can see one packet contains 385 sweets. How many sweets can be packed in 52,690 packets? So here also same thing. 1 to many is multiplication. One part is given and asking for more parts. So here number of sweets in one packet. As you know, children, whenever you write is equal to should be in the same line or same column. So here I have taken the flower bracket. To simplify this sentence is 385. So number of sweets in one packet is 385. Number of sweets in 52,690 packets is multiplied by 385. Now let us start multiplication. Start with ones place. Now 5 zeros are 0 itself. 5 nines are 45, 4 carry. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4, 34. 5 twos are 10 plus 3, 13. 5 ones are 5 fives are 25, 25 plus 1 is 26. Second step with 1 plus. Now start multiplying by 8 to the whole number. 8 zeros are 0, 8 nines are 72, take 7 carry. 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 7 is 55, take 5 carry. 8 twos are 16, 16 plus 5, 21. 8 fives are 40, 40 plus 2 is 42. Start third step with 2 plus. 3 zeros are 0, 3 nines are 27. So you can easily identify the carryovers, children. This is first step carryovers, second step, third step. Okay. Now 0, 27, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 3 twos are 6 plus 2, 8, 3 fives are 15. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 carry. Don't take this carry here because it's an addition carryover. So 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 8 12, 5 plus 5 becomes 10, 1 plus 1 2. Try the multiplication part by yourself and check the answer, children, so that you can learn very easily to multiply. Now let us write the conclusion. Therefore, number of sweets packed in 52,690 packets are, how many sweets are packed? So here we have 2 crores 2 lakhs 85,650 sweets. Next one, a rocket travels 7,59,600 kilometers in 240 hours. How many kilometers will the rocket travel in 1 hour? See, children, here more are given and asking for 1 hour. So many to 1 is division. You have to apply division method. So here a rocket travels, that is in kilometers. So here that is in length. So here we have to write the distance traveled. You have to start with distance because it has covered in kilometers. So distance traveled in 240 hours is how many distance? 7,59,600 kilometers. Distance traveled in 1 hour is how much? So divided by 240. So how you start dividing? First you have to check. 240 is the divisor. So 240 ones are 240. So it starts with 3 digits, not less than 240. So here also we have to start with 3 digit, not with first digit or second digit, because we have starting number is 3 digit number. So now 242s are, you have to start multiply. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. So you can see where is 759? There is no 759 in this table. So take immediate less than the number. So that is 720. So 240 3s are 720. Now subtract. While subtracting, first number should be the greater number, second number should be the smaller number. So only we take the immediate smaller number. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 7 is 0. Now bring 1 digit down. Now 396. Search in the table where is 396. There is no 396. So take less than 396. That is 241s are 240. Now 6 minus 0 is 6 5 1. Now bring 0 down. It is 1560. You can write up. Now you search 1560. There is no 1560 exactly. So take the less number, immediate lesser than this. So that is 246 are 1440. Now subtract 6 2 1. Now bring this 0 here. It becomes 1200. Now search where is 1200. Yes, it is in 245. So write first quotient, then write the number, given number. So 0. So this number is exactly divided by 240. Why? Because the remainder becomes 0. So this dividend is completely divided by the divisor. So here we have the conclusion. Therefore, distance traveled by rocket in 1 hour is 3165 kilometer. The parameters are very important, children. Rupees, kilometers, meters. Next one, Mr. Mohan earns rupees 19,750 every month. You can see every month he is earning this much rupee. How much will he earn in 8 years? So every month means for 1 month they have given and asking for 8 years. Not 8 months, children, 8 years. As we know, children, 1 year has 12 months and 8 year has 12 multiplied by 8 is 96 months. So in 8 years, how many months are there? 96 months. So you should not multiply this number multiplied by 8 because month is given and asking for years, not months. So you have to first convert this into months. Then you have to multiply. Now you can see 1 month salary is rupees 19,750. Then the salary for 96 months is how much? So now we start multiplying. Start multiplying. 6 zeros are, there are 2 multipliers, so 2 steps. 6 zeros are 0. 6 fives are 30. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. 6 nines are 54 plus 4 is 58. 6 ones are 6 plus 5 is 11. Next, start with 9. 9 zeros are 0. 9 fives are 45. 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 4 is 67. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 6 is 87. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 8 plus 8 is 16. 7 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. Again 1. So you get, that is 18,96,000. So therefore Mr. Mohan earned rupees. So parameters are also very important. Rupees 18,96,000 in 8 years. Next one, during the floods, 43,725 villagers became homeless. Okay. The government put up the tents. Each tent is housing 265 villagers. In one tent, 265 villagers can occupy. And how many tents were put up? See children, observe the question carefully. They are not asking how many villagers are occupied. If they ask the question as villagers, then we have to multiply. Here they did not ask you how many villagers. they are asking how many tens were put up. So you have to divide this question, children, many to 1. So you have to divide. Number of villages, that is 43,725. And number of tents are, how many tents they made to for the villages is 265. Now you have to find the required tents to put up these many members. So here we have to divide this number. So the the divisor is 265, 3-digit number. So start with 3-digit. Now 265 ones are 265, 265 twos are 530. So where is 437? There is no exactly 437. So take the less than number because we have to subtract. So 265 ones are 265. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 6 is not possible. So take borrow, make it 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 3 minus 1 is, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now you have to bring 2 down. Now start multiplying up to you get this number less than or more than. So 265 3s are 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 19, 3 2s are 6 7. 265 4s are 20, 4 6 are 24 plus 2 26, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 is 10. Again 265 5s are. Now you have to multiply up to 7. Now check whether the 1722 is present in the table. Again no. So take immediate less than this number so that you can easily subtract. So now 265 6 are 1590. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 9 is not possible. So take borrow. 12 minus 9 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. Again 0. Now bring 5 down. Now check the number. Yes, it is exactly present. 1295. That is 265. 5s are 1325. Now remainder 0. What it means, remainder 0 means the dividend is exactly divided by the divisor. Now therefore write the conclusion. Therefore 165 tens were put up for the villages. I hope you have understood today's concept. Keep practicing, children. Try to practice by changing the numbers. Learn tables from 2 to 20 daily. At least repeat 2 tables daily. Keep learning, keep going. Thank you, children.